today is another beautiful day here in Cape Town, South Africa. Today we are in Franschhoek and we're gonna go ride some bikes. Did you know that Cape Town just came out of a drought? This is what what's it in English?
Mountain River.
Mountain, I think it's Berg River. They said that Cape Town would be the first city to run out of water. Last week we actually passed 80% capacity of all the dams combined. You see, that's the Berg River or Berg River in Afrikaans, and that's its capacity. You see over there is at 100%. This is what it looks like at 100%. To go to the Theewaterskloof, that is the biggest dam of Cape Town. It's unfortunately Franschhoek Pass is closed, and getting there is going to be a way longer route. Okay, so maybe next time when the road is open, we can go check out what Theewaterskloof dam looks like. Okay, that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then I guess I'll see you next week.